Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. I'm excited to share something really vibrant and delicious with you today. Dragon fruit. Have you ever seen this stunning fruit? With its bright pink skin and green scales, it looks like it's straight out of a fairy tale, right? But what exactly is dragon fruit? And why should we love it? Let's dive in. Dragon fruit, also known as pitaya, is a tropical fruit that grows on a type of cactus. It's native to Central America but is now cultivated in various tropical regions around the world, including Southeast Asia. The inside of the fruit is either white or bright pink, filled with tiny black seeds. It's not only visually striking but also deliciously refreshing. If you haven't tried it yet, you're in for a treat. Now let's talk about the benefits of dragon fruit. This amazing fruit is loaded with antioxidants, which help combat free radicals in our bodies. It's also high in vitamin C, a powerful vitamin that boosts our immune system and helps keep our skin glowing and healthy. And did I mention it's low in calories? Yes, it's a guilt-free treat, but that's not all. Dragon fruit is rich in fiber, which is fantastic for your digestive health. Eating it can help you feel full longer, making it a great addition to your diet if you're looking to manage your weight. Plus, it contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which support heart health. It's truly a nutrient powerhouse. With all these wonderful benefits, it's clear why dragon fruit is becoming so popular. But how can you easily include it in your daily routine? That's where our portable juice blender comes into play. This handy little gadget makes it super simple to whip up delicious fresh juices wherever you are, at home, at the office, or even on the go. Imagine being able to blend up your favorite fruits right in your kitchen or while you're out exploring. Our portable juice blender is lightweight, rechargeable, and incredibly user-friendly. You're going to love it. So do you want to learn how to make your very own dragon fruit juice using this fantastic portable blender? Let's go through the steps together and I'll guide you along the way. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. First things first, let's gather our ingredients. For this refreshing dragon fruit juice, you will need 1 ripe dragon fruit. Choose one that's vibrant in color and slightly soft to the touch. 1 cup of coconut water or plain water. This adds a nice flavor and hydrating boost. A squeeze of fresh lime or lemon juice. This adds a delightful zing. And if you'd like, some mint leaves or a bit of honey for extra flavor. Once you have everything ready, we can move to the next step. Step 2. Prepare the dragon fruit. All right, let's cut the dragon fruit in half. Just look at that vibrant color inside. Using a spoon, gently scoop out the flesh, which is either white or bright pink. You'll notice those tiny black seeds. Don't worry, they're edible and quite nutritious. Step 3. Load your blender. Now that we have our dragon fruit, let's load it into the portable juice blender. Place the scooped dragon fruit flesh directly into the blender. Next, add the coconut water or regular water. And don't forget that squeeze of lime juice. If you're using mint leaves or honey, add those in too for a delicious twist. Step 4. Blend it up. Now, secure the lid on your portable blender. Make sure it's tightly sealed. It's time to blend. Turn it on and blend until everything is smooth and well combined. You can adjust how long you blend based on whether you like your juice thicker or smoother. It only takes a minute or 2. Step 5. Serve and enjoy. Once you've blended your juice to your liking, pour it into a glass. Just look at that stunning color. You can garnish it with a mint leaf or a slice of lime for that Instagram-worthy touch. And there you have it, your refreshing dragon fruit juice made in minutes with your portable blender. How easy was that? Perfect to enjoy on a hot day or to kickstart your morning. Okay, let's diving into an exciting topic, the incredible dragon fruit. This vibrant fruit is not only a visual treat, but also packed with numerous health benefits. So, What exactly happens to your body if you drink dragon fruit juice every day for a week? Let's find out. First off, let's talk about some of the amazing benefits of dragon fruit. This exotic fruit is rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and betalains. Antioxidants are crucial for your body as they protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. By drinking dragon fruit juice daily, you're giving your body a powerful boost in fighting oxidative stress. Now, dragon fruit is also high in fiber, which is great for your digestive system. If you drink dragon fruit juice every day, you'll likely experience improved digestion. Fiber helps keep things moving along smoothly in the gut, which can prevent constipation and promote regularity. Your belly will thank you. But that's not all. Dragon fruit can help support your immune system thanks to its high vitamin C content. This vitamin is vital for the functioning of your immune cells, and by drinking the juice for 7 days straight, you might notice that you feel more energized and less susceptible to colds and infections. Who doesn't want that? And if you're watching your weight, you'll love this. Dragon fruit is low in calories but high in nutrients. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you're adding a nutrient-dense option that can help you feel fuller for longer. It's a great way to curb those unhealthy cravings. But what about your skin? Well, the antioxidants and hydration from dragon fruit can lead to a glowing complexion. Drinking the juice regularly can potentially improve your skin's elasticity, making it look plumper and more youthful. Imagine waking up with that fresh, radiant glow. Additionally, consuming dragon fruit has been linked to improved heart health. The fruit contains healthy fats from its seeds, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels. A blend of antioxidants and healthy fats means you're not only treating your taste buds, but also taking care of your heart when you enjoy this juice daily. So after 7 days of drinking dragon fruit juice, you may find that your energy levels are higher, your digestion is on point, and your skin has that gorgeous glow. Plus, you might even experience improved overall well-being. Now, you may be wondering how to serve and drink this fantastic juice. It's easy. You can simply scoop out the vibrant pulp of a ripe dragon fruit, blend it with some coconut water or regular water, and add a squeeze of lime for a refreshing twist. Blend until smooth and serve it over ice for a cool and hydrating drink. You can also get creative. Mix dragon fruit juice with other fruits like strawberries, pineapples, or oranges for a delicious smoothie. It's a fun way to customize your drink and explore different flavor combinations. And there you have it. Dragon fruit is not only delicious, but offers a ton of benefits that can positively impact your body over a week of consistent consumption. Why not give it a try? Conclusion. Thank you all so much for joining me today and exploring the wonderful world of dragon fruit. I hope you enjoy making this juice as much as I do. Remember, adding dragon fruit to your diet is not only tasty, but also packed with health benefits. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts or any recipes you'd like to see next, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me, and it helps us keep creating fun and healthy content for you. Until next time, keep trying new things and stay healthy, everyone. Dot. Idinorsast.